Hi, in this video I want to cover just giving interactions to a part of the frame, not the whole frame. So in this example, I will hover this button and the color of the button will get darker, and if I do not hover it, the button will come back to the original color. So let's make it. So I made a frame and there is a box. So consider it as a web page, and there is a box, and this is the button. And let me copy this to show you the state of hovering. So click this, and let me make the color darker. Right, and that's it. And let's make it. So click this button and go to Prototype tab and click this frame. And mouse enter, navigate to frame 2 instant. And if you see, I click this and made this page. See? Yeah, the color changes. But if we click other, and we want to get back to the original state, so let's make that too. Click this, mouse leave frame 1 instant, and let's see. If I hover this, the color changes. The color changes as well if I do not hover it. And if I hover this any part except the button, nothing happens. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye.